Hello students, and welcome to our grades 3 to 5 writing class for abundant education. Today we have a fantastic lesson planned where we will review our vocabulary words, learn how to use the 5 W's, and practice stretching our sentences to make our writing super descriptive. Make sure you have your worksheet and a pencil ready. Let's get started. First up is our vocabulary review. We are looking at pairs of antonyms, or opposite words. Our words for today are deep and shallow, flexible and rigid, pain and pleasure, repair and break, and infant and adult. On your first worksheet page, you have 3 quick tasks. First, read Mark's note to his grandmother and rewrite it by substituting an antonym for each underlined word. Next, for part A, read the sentences and fill in the blanks using the best vocabulary word. Finally, for part B, read the 4 questions and check the box next to the best answer. Please pause the video here. Complete these vocabulary exercises and unpause when you are ready to continue. Welcome back. Now let's talk about the 5 W's: who, what, when, where, and why. Using the 5 W's is the best way to make sure your writing is clear and interesting. Look at the ideas page on your worksheet. For part A, you will read a story about Grandma Beth's days in junior high school. Use the chart provided to fill in the missing details that tell who, what, when, where, or why. Then, move down to part B. Write the correct contractions for the words that is and it is, and then circle those contractions up in the story you just finished. Pause the video now to complete the 5 W's page. Great job! Now we are going to use those 5 W's to stretch our sentences. A basic sentence usually just includes a subject and a verb. But a sentence is much more interesting when it also tells where, when, or why. Let's look at the stretch it activity. The first basic sentence is, Mom is taking us shopping. That is a fine sentence, but it asks us to add where. So we could stretch it to say, Mom is taking us shopping at the mall. Pause the video here and complete the rest of the sentence stretching exercises on this page by adding where, when, or why. Unpause when you are finished. We have made it to our final and most creative activity for the day. We are going to stretch our sentences even further by using sensory details. Sensory details are words that describe what you experience with your 5 senses: sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste. Look at the sentence stretching process chart on your last page. It shows you how to take a boring sentence and make it amazing. You start with a basic sentence, add a where or when, add a why, add a sensory detail, and finally write your super stretched sentence. Practice this step-by-step process with the 3 basic sentences provided on the page. Once you have practiced stretching sentences, it is time to write a descriptive paragraph. Choose one of the 2 prompts. Prompt 1 is about a deep, mysterious forest, and prompt 2 is about a busy toy repair shop. Write a paragraph describing the scene. Make sure to use the checklist at the bottom of the page. Include 3 vocabulary words, use your 5 senses, and include the 5 W's. Pause the video and have fun writing your descriptive paragraph. Fantastic work today, writers. You practiced using antonyms, mastered the 5 W's, and wrote some incredibly descriptive sentences. Don't forget to check your vocabulary and paragraph answers against the teacher key provided. Keep up the great writing, and I will see you in the next lesson.